Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life, and today I am going to show you how to make a quilling snowflake, and that is in 3D form. And this video is the second in the series of quilling ornaments and third in the series of quilling snowflake. So if you're new to my channel, you can consider subscribing. This is the project that we are going to make today, and the requirements to make this project are as shown on your screen. So on my channel I share a lot of videos on paper quilling and other paper crafts, so you can have a look and decide if you like my channel or not, and then consider subscribing it. So uh, this is the piece which we are going to make today, and I have created this piece in blue and gray color. You can use any other color combination. Last time I had created a different design in the snowflakes in red and white color, so this design is a little bit different from the last one. So let's begin, and let me show you how we are going to make it. So let me show you the supplies. So I have used 5 mm strips here, and I have used two colors as I already mentioned. Then you need either your automated or manual slotted needle tool, whatever you use, tweezers, glue, this is a normal Fevicol, and this circle template, which is totally optional. You can even eyeball your shapes and everything, so this is an optional thing, but whenever we are making a symmetric thing, this is useful, so you can decide if you want to use it or not. So as you can see here, I have used three or four elements here, four different shapes, or you can say elements here. So the inside flower is made out of eye shape, then the outer one also have the eye shape in the gray color, and then we have this teardrop in blue color, and on the tip of this teardrop we have a triangular shape in gray color. So total three shapes are used here, and four elements. So to make the first three element, I have used half strip, and my half strip measure approximately 9 inches, and the triangle part is made out of 1/8 of the strip. So total length of my strips is 17 inches. So let's create the first part. So to create the first part, I am making it in the reverse color order, like where I have used blue, I am going to use gray there. So using the half strip of gray color, I have made this loose coil with this size of circle, which is third size in my template. And once the coil is ready, I am going to paste the end of the strip, and I am going to make a eye shape. So to make an eye shape, you have to pinch the loose circle in both the directions. Then we are going to create similarly in the blue color these same sort of shape, same exactly same shape, just in blue color, and we need 12 of these. Previously we needed 6 of gray color, now we need 12 in blue color. So again I have used the same length of the strip, that is half inches, sorry, half strip of 8.5 inches long and 5 mm wide, and now I am again going to make the teardrop shape. So these first two elements are exactly same, just color differences there. Then we are going to move to the third element, that is a teardrop. previously we had created eye shape, I'm sorry. So this time we are going to create the teardrop, and to make the teardrop again I have taken the half strip of gray color, but I am going to make a loose coil of one size small. Okay, and then I am going to create the teardrop out of it. Then for the last element we need to make these teeny tiny triangles, and to make this I have used 1/8 of the strip. That is let me tell you what exactly will be the size of that one. That will be 2.2 inches long approximately. And to make the coil out of it I am using my manual tool, because it is very difficult to make such a teeny tiny coil using the automated tool. So I am going to make a triangle out of it. So to make the triangle you have to open the coil and make a teardrop first. So there was a focus issue in my camera. uh, okay, after making the teardrop you have to flat the round side of the teardrop. So in this way this triangular shape will be ready. And now we have a very simple step of assembling all these elements. So just watch it, and you can easily get it. In the last video, which was the first in this ornament series, we had created snowflakes in red and white color, and the design was a bit different. And uh, you guys liked that video a lot. So in the last video itself I have mentioned that I am going to create a series, because I am totally enjoying making these beautiful snowflakes. So that's why I am posting this video with a different design. In the next video I am going to make a very different shape, and I will also tell you the story behind that particular shape. An incident I will tell you. Now I have speed up the process a bit, because this is just this there is no as such a lot of learning in this in these steps. uh, the basic learning is already done, and now I'm just assembling the things, so you can easily uh, get what I'm doing. So I have speed this thing a bit up. So at this point the two elements are already done, and here I am squeezing a little bit of glue between these blue uh, eye shape petals. Now I am going to stick these teardrops between these blues, and my snowflake is coming together. Frankly speaking, these snowflakes looks very pretty when you see them in person. So I think you should try making them if you are into quilling, and I can guarantee that you will enjoy this process a lot. We are about to complete our project, and the colors are very beautiful and gorgeous. You can try this design in any colors combinations. So once this is totally done, just keep it aside for drying purpose for like 5-10 minutes, and then only move it, otherwise your things will fall apart. So yeah, these complementary color combinations are done, and these are the last video. This is how it looks when done. So I hope these small tutorials are you are enjoying watching them, and you are liking them. So let me know in comments if you want me to create something specifically for you. I will definitely do the request videos. Till then, goodbye, and wait for the next video on the paper quilling snowflakes. Bye bye.